Welcome back to Insecurity. We are at CES in beautiful Las Vegas, and now we're going to dig deep into some data. I've got Jason Stinson, who is the co-founder and CTO at Renovo, and you guys are doing some pretty amazing things with regard to autonomous vehicles, sensors, data collection. That's about the extent of the detail I have so far, so I'm going to turn that over to you.
So today we're showing a number of different things, but primarily we're focused on data. So data in the autonomous space, the connected car space, as well as in the ADAS, advanced development feature space in automotive is one of the most critical and difficult challenges that the automakers are having. They're building massive amounts of data. These cars are huge satellites. We like to call them satellites, but they're huge data generators. This car behind us can generate up to 32 terabytes of data per hour. So it's really impressive what they're generating. The challenge is, what do you do with all that? And we provide a solution that allows the automakers and the developers to basically get access to that data in a fast and reliable method, as well as build intelligence on top of it and look for the critical pieces of information that's contained within it.
So when you talk about the amount of data, you've got 32 terabytes of data from this thing every day. Not everybody's going to want all of that data, but they need to pull from the same pool of data. Is that what you're doing? You're like kind of sorting and stacking all the cards so they can pick what they need?
That's right. So when you look at a development team within an automaker, you've got lots of different teams. You have teams that are worried about perception engines, teams that are worried about motion control, teams that are worried about just the fundamental FMEA validation analysis of what's going on with a vehicle and trying to get it in production. They're all looking for different types of information. All of that information is contained within this data pile. And so what we do is we provide basically a very large, searchable, modern database that's indexed, has provenance, and allows you to basically go through that data to find the stuff that you're the most interested in, but also still allows other teams to find out their information.
So we're at the Consumer Electronics Show. This is not a consumer product, but it is in the products that consumers want. Like, I look at this almost like you don't make the cookies, but it's the wheat that is ground into the flour that they then turn into the consumable.
That's right. This is without systems such as the ones that we're building, the actual consumer products, like vehicles that show up in consumer hands, aren't going to get built. This is critical. The car is moving away from a simple transportation device, just like the phone that's in yours and my pocket has moved away from just being a phone. And that's going to be increasingly important as we move forward, and these cars basically become servers on wheels.
Now, you are very tightly aligned inside the automotive industry. Are there other applications for this, or is this something where right now you've got to stay focused on this thing because you need to be the best that there is at this thing?
That's a great question. What we've built, this data system, isn't specific to the automotive industry. However, we're a small team. We're very focused on what we do. And make sure that we do it well and we serve our customers. And so for now, and any time in the foreseeable future, this is really built around automotive. And we think about, automotive does have some particular requirements around privacy and around security, and they have a certain way of thinking about how these systems get built and get validated. That tends to be kind of a higher bar than a lot of other industries, and we're all about that.
Let's cover the couple of billion machines that are out there first before we worry about moving off of the ones with wheels.
That's right.
All right, fair enough. People looking for more information about what Renovo's up to, where should they go?
They can go to our website, renovo.auto. They can find us on social. They can find us on LinkedIn. They can find us, in any of the regular nooks and crannies of the social and webby internet world.
The webby internet world. This from an engineer, the CTO, so you know that he's serious. As for the rest of all the good stuff, you can find us at blackberry.com. On Twitter, it's at BlackBerry and at Cylance Inc. I am Matt Stevenson. Look for me at PacMatt73. I'm going to go dig into some data and see what they know about me. See you soon.